आपका बड़ा बड़ा है, अगर छोटा है आपका ऑटो ग्रिड के लिए आप ऐसे डालते हैं जो फिट करता है। आपके पास बड़ा है, साइज बड़ा है, तो मैनुअली भी आप फिट कूलिंग करते हैं। तो इसका मल्टीपर्पज
वाटर है, गर्म करेंगे
उसके बाद ही हमारे रिएक्टर के अंदर आ जाता है, उसको हम कंप्रेस कर देंगे। हमने यहाँ पर डेमो दिया है आइस बैग के साथ तो आइस बैग बनाने में
वाटर उधर रहता है और आइस क्लियर होता है।
हाँ, उससे निकलता है, वो नीचे रखा हुआ है ना।
और वो क्या है?
ठीक है, ये हमारा बॉयलर का टेम्परेचर शो करता है। जो हमारी गैस निकलती है फ्लू गैस, उसका टेम्परेचर है।
फ्लू गैस का जो
as a matter of disposal, whereas they take it and sell it to the units what with this kind of service.
I sit in Odisha. Rajeshri is the president for West Bengal region. I am the president for Odisha region. Take the larvae, just like the larvae from the larvae growth, check out the larvae stage, and why they do it, pupae, and then the fly comes out.
बात करने जाएगा
Basically, they are using the graphite and
Actually, you have done the work.
No, but you were there.
The answer will not be there. If the answer will be there, then you will not be able to solve. No problem.
Ichal Karanji. Oh,
With my Russian friends.
Okay.
Have you heard this name? This is going on now. 5 of my researchers are working for. They are discussing with the people.
Or some small innovation so that they can do something. At least they can go one step forward. So we are in a
They have put the panel-based cold store where they can save the construction time.
To Honorable Chief Minister as well as the entire officers of Government of West Bengal, this particular point on a number of...
This is Sadhan Kumar Ghosh, Professor. I am not from this area, but I have a Norway research project on sustainability of cold storage and cold supply chain. I was listening to all of you regarding how the energy leakage can be restricted, how the business can be improved. But one area, what I like to mention, that there is another leakage in your system, the waste generation. I mean, throughout the world, we talk about resource efficiency enhancement. So I like to hear from the experts, cold storage and cold chain, specifically seafood and agricultural food, that how in last 10 years the waste management has been improved and the business becomes sustainable.
Shall I respond to that? Yeah, I can only tell you about seafood sector because unfortunately my knowledge is very restricted. In the seafood sector, the waste recycling and conciliation of the waste are two very critical areas. India has a huge opportunity in terms of conciliation of seafood waste, which we have not utilized till now anywhere near the extent where we should. The process did not exist 20 years ago. You would have been hard pressed to find a single plant or single factory in India who was using seafood waste or seafood production waste as a raw material or to generate byproducts. That is happening now. A number of units, first of all, some of the waste fish is being translated into value-added products in some parts of India, mostly the west coast. And as far as the aquaculture waste is concerned, what is the aquaculture waste? Indian shrimps is primarily exported either in the headless form or in the peeled form. So the shell and the head of the shrimp comes off, which constitutes more than 40% of the body weight of the shrimp, between 35 and 45% of the body weight of the shrimp, depending on the size of the shrimp. This head is now being utilized to produce a product called chitin and chitosan. Okay. There are further products which are possible to generate out of those products. For example, fish collagens and stuff like that, which is also happening in some cases. However, all I have to say is the utilization and conciliation of seafood waste was a process which was virtually non-existent in India 20 years ago. It has started and it is progressing, and people are getting into nutraceuticals, collagens, pharma products, products which are used as inputs to the cosmetic industry, which are coming out of fish and shrimps. So that process has started, but there is a lot more path to come.
Yeah. And what is the percentage of wastage now in the seafood cold chain, roughly?
Seafood, not seafood cold chain. I can give you the percentage of waste in the seafood processing, in the production process. The production process waste would be to the tune of 35%, 35 to 40%.
This is huge.
Which is huge, which is enormous.
But I'm interested not only in the process.
35 to 40% of the body weight of the product.
Yeah, I'm interested to know about the cold chain.
Yeah, I'll give the answer for the cold chain into the food product.
Please.
If you see statistics wise in India, we have 30 to 40% of the fresh produce gets wasted because of poor or insufficient cold chain capacity in the country. It starts, suppose, as I said, because any fresh produce, the moment your ambient process 25 degrees centigrade, there is a wastage occurring. So if you see our bumper product starts coming up from end of January, February. We have seen in the country many a times, there can be a peak winter of 2 degrees, but within a week it becomes 27 degrees centigrade. That's where the wastage comes up. So this cold chain is exactly trying to increase the capacity so that the farm to fork, that it's like a pipe, it's like an oil pipeline. So there are a lot of holes in that. So how to plug that? So that is the cold chain development, upgradation, modernization is happening up. But you ask for percentage, 30 to 40% is the produce which is wasted because of insufficient cold chain.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
In fact, I raised this question because I like to contact you guys. I mean, whoever have the expertise, my researchers also will visit you to get more information. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.